In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Airtable base, a process that can be streamlined with just a few straightforward steps. If you've been using Airtable to manage your projects, collaborations, or data collections, you're likely familiar with its user-friendly and robust interface. Exporting your data is a crucial practice. It ensures that you have backups and can use this information outside the platform for further analysis or sharing purposes. So, let's dive into this process and simplify it as much as possible. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Airtable account. Once that's done, you'll find yourself on the Airtable homepage, the central hub where you access all your projects, referred to as bases within Airtable. Now look for the specific base you wish to export. You'll want to click on it to open it up. Once you've navigated to your chosen base, our next step is to think about extensions. Extensions in Airtable are like plugins or add-ons that can enhance functionality for more advanced operations. If you direct your eyes to the upper right-hand side of your interface, you'll notice a menu item titled Extensions. Go ahead and click on that. With the Extensions panel now open, it's time to explore the extensions that can facilitate data export. Click on the option that says Add an extension. You'll then come across a search bar. Simply type Backup into this field. This search will bring up an array of backup and export-related extensions available to you. To gain a comprehensive view of your choices, click on All Extensions. This step is important because it provides a broader perspective on the offerings available, allowing you to select the best ones suited to your specific export needs. As you scroll through the list, look for an extension that emphasizes backup and exporting functionalities. Once you find one that appears to match your requirements, click on the extension to gather more details. This assessment step ensures that the extension you choose will effectively meet your data export needs. The final step in this process is to add the extension to your base. Simply click on Add Extension, and this powerful tool will integrate directly into your Airtable base. It's now ready to be used for exporting your data, providing you with a seamless and efficient way to back up or utilize your information outside of Airtable. And there you have it. You've successfully added a powerful extension to Airtable that assists you in exporting your data for backup or further use. Remember, backing up your work is vital, safeguarding your efforts against unexpected data loss. Happy exporting, and thank you for watching. Thank you for